Could your business run sharper, smarter, and more affordably with AI? Are your strategic plans actually showing up in your weekly results? What if your whole team could act on strategy, not just planning? What if student interns could add value from day one and keep adding it for years to come? Welcome to the Critical Few Actions to Improve Your Business podcast. I'm John Downs, and today I'm joined by Jackson Yin, CEO of iBuild Building Solutions. This is one of Australia's fastest growing kit home and modular housing manufacturers. Jackson's personally driven to help solve the housing affordability crisis, one home at a time. Jackson's story starts in a suburban garage, but now it stretches to global markets. He's blending affordable housing innovation, real-world strategy systems, and cutting-edge AI tools to grow faster and smarter. Now, this interview was really 3 interviews in one, as we talked about what's helped Jackson hockey stick his growth in the last 5 years. The 3 critical insights I took from his growth story were all about leverage and learning. I think you could really start to apply some of these insights immediately. So insight 1, your strategy deserves a weekly rhythm. Jackson didn't just attend the CEO Masterclass and filed his organisation performance and value diagnostic away in a cupboard. He turned it into a weekly operating system. Every weekday focuses on a core pillar outcome. So Monday is, how do we create more demand? Tuesday, how do we present our products better? On Wednesday, how are we closing more sales? On Thursday, how can we enhance our customers' experience? And on Friday, they think about how can we improve our capacity and our customers' capacity to deliver projects. It keeps the 5 key elements of delivering his strategy front of mind and in motion. Every pillar has simple KPIs. Jackson and the team check them weekly, so if an email open rate doubles or conversions dip, they stop to ask why. The data isn't for reporting, it's for learning. So what can you do? Well, understand your critical few strategic levers or initiatives. Assign each day a strategic focus. Review one area per day with your team. Stay aligned, learn, and get agile. Share your strategic metrics. Let your team spot patterns and suggest fixes. That's how you unlock shared ownership and problem solving. The second insight was how to learn from and leverage the power of student interns. Jackson shared how he turned a one-off intern request into a fully fledged multi-university intern program. He hosts more than 60 hungry, curious minds a year across roles in marketing, engineering, HR, and technology. Most companies treat internships as a burden, but Jackson's turned them into a strategic asset. His interns get real work, real mentorship, and in many cases, real job offers later. About 80% of his new hires in the last 5 years are former interns. So what can you do? Well, start slow. Partner with one university. Pick a single department. Offer meaningful projects and structured mentor, and see how you go. The third insight was how he leverages AI to multiply output, not just save time. Jackson now uses AI to enhance productivity across content creation, customer engagement, and planning. But the secret? It's embedded in processes, it's not tacked on. He's not replacing people, he's augmenting their performance. He's looking for a 10x performance improvement in every application of AI. So what can you do? Well, don't wait for the perfect AI use case. Start embedding AI into one weekly routine and expand from there. There's so much more in this episode, including how he scaled up his business with partnerships with Bunnings. But what struck me was Jackson's humility, clarity, and willingness to systemize what works. If you're serious about turning plans into performance and making AI practical for your team, this conversation is packed with learnings. So listen to the full episode, download the PDF summary, and think hard. What are your critical few actions this week? Will you keep tweaking your strategy or embed it into how your business runs, learns, and grows? Enjoy.